Alright, got a new intake. I'm gonna show y'all the reason why I got a new intake in a second when I get back, but it basically they tightened the screws too tight and it stripped them out, so it like messed up this right here. So it's like making my car read a code, like the saying, basically saying like that it's running too much air getting in the throttle body or something like that. So hopefully this will be the reason why. So let's see. All right, I'm back. So this is why right here. See how it's like look like somebody like JB welded. It still worked, like the throttle body still work and stuff, but sometimes it'll throw a code and say I forgot exactly what it said, like something about air, too much air getting in there, but and I felt like I had a crack or something in this too, so hopefully get that situated and see. Just change this whole thing out and see if that's better, because the other one still is brand new basically. Got injectors on there and everything, so fuel rails. Got it for a good price too, so I ain't complaining. Hopefully it'll work better, have the car running better. I'm gonna get back to y'all though when I basically when I get it on. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all gotta do to take it off. So basically it's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 10 bolts all together. So we just get them started with an 8mm. And after you take them off, I'll show you what you do next. So after you loosen all them bolts, basically you wanna unplug the fuel injectors. You just push this red tab up like that, and you can pull it off. You got 4 on each side. So I'm gonna just pull these off real quick. Some of them gonna fight a little bit. Be patient with them though, because you don't want to cause another problem. Alright, so we pop them out. Another thing you're gonna have to do, take this gas line off for the fuel rail. Just take this little clip off and then push in right here, and a little bit of gas don't come out, but it'll be alright. Alright, once you got the gas line and stuff off, it's a little hose in the back. You just pull that off, and then it's like 2 plugs, like this one right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but after that, you should be able to pull it off. Just like that. Wipe all this stuff up. But looks pretty clean. So out with the old and with the new. I'm gonna take a couple things off like this right here, and then yep. Okay, so we already good. Alright, so I'll get back to y'all when I put that back on. basically just a repeat of the same process we just did to put it on. So there I go. We took the gaskets out of this one. These ones, I don't know, they just look flat, so I don't really want to put them ones on with that. So I'm just taking them out. Take the old ones out. These ones look better. They stick up a little bit and everything, like they ain't been on for that long. So I'm just rip these off real quick. Alright, I got the gaskets in, all of them, so now we can get ready to put them back on. I'm gonna clean this injector off right here though. I'm gonna clean this, because I just don't like how it looks, so I'm gonna just brush that off real quick and get that right before I put it on. It's all completed. Everything on there right. It's only one problem. So the holes I was saying that go from the back right here, it's like that little part right there is broken off on the back here. So the holes don't got nowhere to go. So I don't know. Really don't know what to do about that right there. So I don't know if it's going to cause it to misfire or anything or what, but it's one thing after another. But I guess we'll see. Gotta get the gas up into the fuel lines real quick. Alright, we should be straight now. It's running a lot better already. It used to do this little pop noise, like as soon as I started, it will pop. It would do like a little pop, like it's misfiring or something. So I think I might have that fixed now. I'm gonna let it run for a minute though. It's been a minute though since I even messed with this mug though. It's been so cold out here in Michigan. don't even want to do nothing for real. This little heater right here though been doing the justice right here. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can feel air coming out that little port. So I know it's there for a reason. That shit gotta be doing something. Oh no, yeah, I feel that. You can hear the idle change too when I move it. Damn, so now I gotta get that shit, figure that out.